In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see the balance sheet report in Odoo Accounting. To get started, open Odoo and go into the Accounting app. This is where you'll find the financial tools and reports related to your company's accounting data. Once you're inside the Accounting app, look toward the top left area of the screen for the toolbar. From there, click on Reporting. This reporting section is where Odoo organizes the main financial reports, making it easy to access important information about your business. After clicking Reporting, select Balance Sheet from the available report options. As soon as you do that, Odoo will open the balance sheet report for you. Here you'll be able to see your balance sheet report on screen. This report gives you a snapshot of your company's financial position by showing assets, liabilities, and equity. It's one of the most important reports in accounting because it helps you understand what the business owns, what it owes, and the overall value of the company at a specific point in time. At the top of the report, you'll notice several tools that you can use to configure the way the report is displayed. These options are helpful if you want to customize the report based on the exact information you need to review. For example, you can adjust the date to view the balance sheet for a particular period or point in time. You can also use the comparison option if you want to compare values across different periods, which can be useful for tracking financial changes. You'll also see options related to included entries and other report settings. These controls let you decide how much detail should appear in the report and which accounting entries are taken into account. If you're reviewing data for analysis, auditing, or internal reporting, these filters can help you get a clearer and more relevant view. Go ahead and configure the report based on your needs. Take a moment to review the available settings so the balance sheet reflects exactly the information you want to see. Once you've adjusted those options, your report is ready. And that's it. That's how you can quickly view and configure the balance sheet report in Odoo Accounting.